Welcome today in front of me Realme 9, and now I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first we should go into the settings application and then tap here to connection and sharing. After that, tap here to the NFC, and just to activate this feature you should click once on this feature, and that's it. If you want to turn it off, you should click here once again on this feature. Here we can also switch the payment method if you want. I have just only Google Pay here. Here you can see this, just the tutorial how you can pay with the NFC. And just we have also one more method how to use how to activate the NFC. So first open the top bar here, and somewhere you should find the NFC icon. Just click here once, and to turn off you should click here once again on the NFC icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.